Everyone, Fernando here with Synergy Auto Spot. Today I'm going to show you how to take care of your wheels and tires. So we got these tires here. They're pretty much brand new, and I'm going to show you my favorite cleaner that I use. So I use Dark Fury right here. You can buy the concentrated version at O'Reilly's, or you can get it diluted, ready to use. I like this cleaner because it's you can use it for your wheel, the actual wheel, and you can use it for the tire. It's a dedicated wheel cleaner. So unlike if you were go with the straight degreaser, this is not gonna harm anything in there. It's gonna loosen everything up, and it's gonna get rid of all that browning that gets built up over time on the actual tire. It's gonna loosen up all the brake dust inside the drum, and then I'm gonna show you how to scrub it. So I have a couple different brushes here. This one right here, it's a soft brush. Grab the actual wheel, the piece of the wheel, get the surface there. Then I use the harder bristle. So now that I did the face of the wheel right here, the tires, then I'm gonna get in the drum right there. See, there's some build up brake dust right there. Use this to reach in there as much as I can. Like I said, it's a newer tire, so the actual tire is not that bad. I'm gonna show you how to keep it from getting like that brownish look over time. Okay, I'm gonna give it another spray. Like I said, I like this cleaner because it can literally be used for everything in this area.